All right, and so special thanks to this company for sending us their multi-slicer. This is good for vegetables, fruits, anything you need to slice. So we're gonna do an unboxing real quick to show you what this looks like. Front of the box, professional cookware on the side. The back kind of gives you some details. It's 4-in-1, your different slicers. There's a 3-in-1 option, but this is the 4-in-1, so you have these 4. And this one comes with gloves and then instructions. And so let's open it up and take a look at it here. So that's it for the box. And then we have a nice glove to use when using the slicer. The main part of the slicer itself, as you see, you got your handle, and like if you were trying to cut cheese, be nice and easy. And then a couple of other blades for slicing different things. Last but not least, look at that. Wow, very sharp. All right, so that's everything that comes inside of this multi-slicer. The 3 things, and these of course just kind of pop on like that, just goes right off, and then when you just put it right on, nice and easy. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.